to the Chocolate Chef. We are happy to announce that we have made 100 subscribers. I am so happy. We did this together. We did it within 3 weeks. 3 weeks. YouTube says that it takes at least 2.5 to 3 months before you can get to 100 subscribers. We did it within 3 weeks. And I would like to thank everyone that helped us make it to 100. And this is a celebration. Oh! Listen, I'm telling you, I am so excited about this channel, about food and fun. What can be better than food and fun? So I'm telling you, if you're home, you're alone, you need someone to talk to, come on over to the Chocolate Chef. If you want to know how to make a good meal for that woman you love, come on over to the Chocolate Chef. If you want to sit back and fall out your chair laughing, come over to the Chocolate Chef. And remember to please subscribe to this channel. And for those of you that have seen our videos and you like them, but you forgot to subscribe, hit that little button down there. It says subscribe. If it is red, that means you have not subscribed. Touch it. We'll be here for you, waiting.